Welcome to British Desire. I am your professor, and in this tutorial we are going to see presentation video on Senses Off. This feature helps developers test their app's functionality in situations where those senses become unavailable, and also gives users a way to control the senses in their device. Point 1. Turn on, off senses. To enable developer options, launch the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll down to the bottom of the menu, and open the About Phone section. Locate an option called Build Number. Owners will find the option within the Software Information section. Repeatedly tap it until your smartphone asks you for your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password, and you will get a toast message that says, "You are now a developer." Return to the main settings page and navigate to System Developer Options. Owners will find Developer Options at the bottom of the settings menu. Scroll down until you find Quick Settings Developer Tiles and tap on the button. Activate the Senses Off toggle. Now, when you pull down your phone's notification shade from the top of the screen, you will have a new tile in the Quick Settings tray called Senses Off. When you enable Senses Off, your phone shuts off most of its sensors, including the cameras, microphone, accelerometer, gyroscope, and more. If an app like your handset's built-in camera client tries to access any of these components, it will either return an error or refuse to work. The rest of your smartphone, including the Wi-Fi and mobile network, will continue to function normally. Therefore, the Senses Off option can come in handy for specific scenarios, or if you are simply looking for a more private mobile experience. With the quick setting, you can flip it back on with one tap. Thanks you for watching presentation video on Senses Off, created by British Desire e-learning. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For any business inquiries related to product promotion, feel free to contact us on www.britishdesire.com. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit www.britishdesire.com/elearning and register.